Today's video is on the top 3 best smart chessboards. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Electronic magnetic chess and checkers set. Looking for the perfect game partner who's always ready, never cheats, and never gets bored? This 8-in-1 electronic gaming set might be exactly what you need. With fun games like chess, checkers, reversey, Halma, 4 in a row, Fox and Geese, Northcote's Game, and Nim, you'll have endless entertainment at your fingertips. If you love playing with friends, the referee mode is perfect. You and a friend can go head-to-head, and the computer will keep track of the game. It'll call out your moves and even let you know when someone's made an illegal move. It's like having a personal referee on hand, making sure the game stays fair and fun. For the chess lovers out there, this set offers an incredible range of features. You can choose from 12 chess modes, making it easy to find one that suits your style and skill level. On top of that, there are 30 unique chess levels to challenge yourself with, ranging from beginner-friendly to expert level. So whether you're just starting or looking for a real challenge, you'll always find something that matches your mood. Want to sharpen your chess skills even more? No problem. With 100 preset chess exercises, you can practice to your heart's content without jumping into a full game. It's a great way to improve your strategy and learn new techniques. And if you need a little help during a game, the built-in Chess Mentor is a lifesaver. When turned on, it'll guide you by pointing out weak moves or threats from your opponent. You can adjust the help level too. Choose between low, normal, or high, depending on how much guidance you want. If you want to tweak the computer's playing style, you have 5 options to choose from: normal, active, aggressive, passive, or very passive. This lets you customize your opponent's behavior to match your preferred level of difficulty. The board itself is designed for convenience and ease of use. It's magnetic and sensory, which means the pieces won't slip around, and it has a large LCD screen with adjustable contrast, making it easy on the eyes even during long games. The package includes everything you need: the board, black and white chess pieces, checkers pieces, and a handy case to store the pieces when not in use. However, it does require 4 AA batteries, which are not included. In case the computer malfunctions due to electrical disturbances or when changing batteries, there's no need to worry. Simply press the red reset switch located at the back for 1 second to reset the computer and return it to normal operation. Ready to level up your game and enjoy endless brain-boosting fun? This set has you covered. Hit that subscribe button like your opponent is knocking over their king at checkmate. Number 2. Best overall. P6 electronic chessboard. Looking to take your chess game to the next level? This electronic chessboard is just what you need. With its built-in AI and intelligent algorithms, it's designed to make chess fun and challenging for players of all skill levels. Whether you're just starting out or already an intermediate player, this board has something for everyone. It features 18 different levels to suit your experience, so you can steadily improve your game. Plus, with the P6 chess computer supporting up to 1700 ELO, you'll be able to test your skills against a formidable opponent or a friend whenever you want. The Smart Chessboard offers 3 unique modes for everyone. If you're just starting or want something for the kids, the training mode will be your go-to. If you want to improve your skills with the device, switch to match mode. And for a classic game with friends or family, the human mode lets you enjoy a 2-player experience. You can easily pick the mode that fits your practice or leisure needs. Want to sharpen your chess skills even more? The P6 comes with 200 chess puzzles designed to challenge and enhance your game. In training mode, the board lights up prompts and even gives voice announcements for each move, helping you learn as you play. Worried about pieces sliding around? No need. The board features strong magnetic chess pieces that stay secure even if the board gets shaken. You can move your pieces easily without them flying off the board. Perfect for playing at home or when you're traveling. This chessboard isn't just for fun, it's an awesome gift too. It helps boost kids' thinking skills and intelligence, making it a great addition to family game time. Whether you're at home, school, camping, or on the go, this board makes an ideal present for Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, or even New Year's. It's perfect for both kids and adults. Overall, this electronic chessboard isn't just a game. It's a full learning experience, a fun challenge, and a thoughtful gift all rolled into one. Whether you're looking to sharpen your skills or just have a good time with friends and family, it's the perfect addition to your collection. Number 1. Our pick. Air Electronic Chess Set. Looking for a chess set that takes your game to the next level? Check out the Chestnut Air Electronic Chess Set. This innovative set is perfect for everyone, whether you're just starting or you've been playing for years. One standout feature of the Chestnut Air is its full piece recognition system. That means it knows exactly where each piece is on the board, making your moves smoother and more precise. Plus, if you're into different chess variants, Chestnut supports Chess 960, a popular format that mixes up the starting positions of the pieces for a fun twist on the traditional game. And this chess set is compatible with a range of third-party software like White Pawn, Chess Dojo, and Arena. With all these options, you're not limited to just one platform. You have the freedom to explore different tools that suit your style of learning. Imagine connecting with players from around the world, over 45 million of them. With the Chestnut Air, you can easily play online on platforms like chess.com and Lichess. No matter where you are, you can challenge your friends or make new ones while honing your skills on a global stage. This chess set doesn't just offer a fun playing experience, it's also a powerful learning tool. The built-in AI adapts to your playing style and skill level, ensuring you're always challenged but never overwhelmed. With 20 levels of intensity, there's always a setting that's just right for you. Whether you're a child learning the basics or an adult refining your strategy, Chestnut Air has you covered. The AI will push you to grow without making the game frustrating. And that's not all. You can revisit and analyze your previous games to see where you went wrong or find opportunities for improvement. The set even comes with weekly puzzles and leagues to keep your brain sharp and help you learn new tactics. It's like having your chess coach right at your fingertips. Looking for the perfect gift for a chess lover? The Chestnut Air makes an excellent choice. Its sleek, elegant wooden design and handy features will impress any chess enthusiast. The set comes complete with a beautifully crafted chessboard, embedded LED lights, 34 plastic pieces with sensor chips, including 2 extra queens, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. And don't worry about any hiccups. Every Chestnut Air comes with a 1-year limited warranty and up to 365 days of complimentary technical support. If you encounter a covered defect, Chestnut has you covered. They'll either replace the product with a new one or give you a refund in exchange for the return of the original. So you can play with peace of mind. Overall, the Chestnut Air Electronic Chess Set is packed with features that make it the perfect choice for anyone serious about their chess game. Whether you're playing against the AI, challenging friends across the world, or exploring new strategies with third-party software, this set has everything you need to keep improving. And if you're also interested in the best regular chessboards, we've got you covered in this video right here. These electronic chessboards are perfect for when you don't have anyone to play with. You can still challenge yourself against an AI opponent anytime you want. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.